Very good. Now, my first question for you. Do you know that most of our festivals are somehow related to seasons?
That's interesting. So, summer, winter, fall, and spring?
Nope. There are actually six seasons: summer, rainy season, autumn, late autumn, and then winter, and then comes the spring.
That's a lot of seasons.
Yes, it is. And our new year begins with the summer, 14th of April, the first day of Bengali calendar. Now, my second question for you. What came to your mind when I say the word New Year?
Fireworks, New Year's resolutions, the ball drop at midnight, Times Square. Why do you ask?
Because for us, New Year is all about wearing red and white colors, eating a special kind of fish called ilish, a special kind of rice called banka, going to the New Year rally, singing, dancing, amazing. Now, let me show you a dance where our friends Toma, Jessica, Dakota, and Hillary will present how we welcome our New Year in Bangladesh. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome